Welcome to InvestoSphere, your ultimate destination for real, proven, and profitable ways to make money online. Whether you're a student looking to earn on the side, a stay-at-home parent trying to support the household, or simply someone searching for flexible, daily paying income, you're in the right place. Today's video is going to break down one of the most powerful and underrated online income methods: online tutoring jobs that pay daily. Yes, you heard that right. Not weekly, not monthly. We're talking about jobs where you get paid at the end of the day for helping others learn. Using the knowledge you already have. So grab a notepad, stay tuned until the end, and let's explore how you can start teaching online and earning every single day. Part 1. Why online tutoring is a game changer in 2025. Remote learning has become the new normal, and the demand for tutors is at an all-time high. You don't need to be a certified teacher. If you can explain a subject well, you can tutor. Flexible hours. Work when you want. Daily payment options are becoming more common as platforms compete for talent. Subjects range from basic math to music, coding, language, and even test prep. You can work from anywhere. No commute, no dress code. Online tutoring is no longer just a side hustle. For many, it's become a full-time, high-income profession. Part 2. What you need to get started: a stable internet connection, a computer or tablet with a webcam, headphones with a mic for clear communication, a clean, quiet background, confidence in your chosen subject, good communication skills, a PayPal, Wise, or direct bank account to receive daily payments. Many platforms don't require degrees, especially for subjects like ESL, homework help, or conversational practice. Part 3. Best platforms that pay daily or within 24 hours. Let's go through legit platforms known for fast payouts. Cambly focuses on conversational English tutoring. No degree required. Pays around $10.20 per hour. Pays every Monday, but you can withdraw anytime. Preply wide range of subjects. You set your hourly rate. Students find you can withdraw earnings anytime after lessons. Nice talk. Chinese-based ESL platform. Pay rate starts at $10 per hour. Paid via PayPal within days. Study pool answer homework questions. Set your bid price per question. Fast payouts. After job completion. Chegg Tutors requires application and screening. Pays weekly, but with consistent high demand. High pay per session. Upwork or Fiverr. Create your tutoring gig. Set your terms and rates. Use buyer request or promote your gig. Withdrawals available within 24 to 48 hours depending on method. Remember to read payout policies for each platform. Some allow instant withdrawals, some offer next day. Part 4. What subjects are in high demand? ESL, English as a second language, math, elementary to college level, science, biology, chemistry, physics, coding, Python, JavaScript, C++, test prep, SAT, ACT, GRE, business and finance, music and art, writing and essay help, conversational practice in Spanish, French, Mandarin. Niche expertise equals higher rates. Focus on your strength. Part 5. How to make your tutor profile stand out. Use a professional profile picture. Write a strong bio focused on benefits to the student. Mention your experience or success stories. Record an intro video, if allowed. Add reviews or testimonials if you have any. The better your profile, the more likely you are to get consistent work and get paid daily. Part 6. Tips to maximize your daily earnings. Be available during peak tutoring hours, evenings, weekends. Take on urgent or last-minute student requests. Offer quick sessions, 30 minutes. To increase volume. Set competitive prices, but increase them as you gain reviews. Use multiple platforms to reduce idle time. Upsell. Offer bundled sessions or homework. Follow. UPS tutoring isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Part 7. Avoid these mistakes that cost you clients: poor communication or showing up late, not preparing for sessions, using a noisy background, or bad audio. Overpromising subjects you're not confident in, not responding to messages quickly. Your professionalism equals your paycheck. Treat it like a real business. Part 8. How to get more repeat students. Deliver high value in your sessions. Follow up with resources or homework. Be friendly and encouraging. Customize your teaching style to each student. Offer discounts for recurring sessions. Repeat students equals stable daily income. Build relationships. Part 9. Long-term growth. Turn daily tutoring into a business. Build your own website as a freelance tutor. Collect testimonials and create a portfolio. Start a YouTube or blog to attract students. Package your knowledge into a Digital course hire other tutors and create an agency. Daily payments are just the start. Think bigger. Part 10. Final thoughts and action plan. Let's recap what you've learned. Online tutoring is flexible, remote, and in demand. You don't need a degree to get started. Several platforms offer fast or daily payouts. With the right profile and strategy, you can earn consistently. Here's what you can do today. Choose a subject you're confident in. Sign up on 1 to 2 platforms from our list. Create a standout tutor profile. Offer a few sessions at a lower rate to get reviews. Start earning daily and scale from there. Thank you for watching this detailed guide on online tutoring jobs that pay daily. If you found value in this, do 3 quick things. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe to InvestoSphere for more online earning tips. Leave a comment sharing what subject you're planning to tutor and why. And here's your question to reflect on before we go. If someone asked you to explain a subject right now for $20, what topic could you teach with confidence? That's your superpower. Start from there. Until next time, keep learning, keep earning, and remember, your knowledge has value. Make it work for you. This is InvestoSphere, turning skills into income, one video at a time.